Am I the one you're talking to like that?
Yes.
You're talking to me like that?
Yes. Get into what you want to. Get out. Come on there.
If you think of barbarous, what first comes to your mind? For me, it's
Are you going to smile? All your teeth will be out. That's good. Go.
What do you mean of that rubbish you display for this? Madam, what is your problem? How can you be this crazy without praying? This is an evidence of beauty without praying. Yes, now what do you be?
all right, people. Welcome back to YolyBoy TV, and you already know it's YolyBoy, and today we're in the world of Nollywood. Man, it's been a long time coming. But gone are those days when Nollywood just they give us film where from beginning you go to assume waiting go end. We're now in an era whereby Nollywood just they give us films and movies that all of us will be proud of. I'm proud of Nigerian movie industry. Honestly, it has grown to a stage that we have so many independent producers, so many independent actors and actresses who are really taking it big. Today they say Tuwale and giving it big bossa to Barbarex. All right. I just want to say, if you think of Barbarex, what first comes to your mind? For me, it's man, this dude got the fire. This dude got the energy. He is one of the top tier actors in the country, and they are right now really taking Nollywood to the global stage. Now let's talk about Barbarex, the actor behind a lot of comic and emotional movies. Very energetic, very action, and like that guy is just giving us what we need. He's this aura guy, he's bass boost guy, he's the swag guy, the bola nigga. Alright, today we're going to look at the best of Barbarex in the movie A Random Tuesday, and also in the movie A Sarian. Woo! Oh my god, honestly, if you haven't watched the movie, I bet you please just try go watch that movie. I'm sure it's going to relieve you from your stress, because it's been a long time that I've seen a movie that is just back-to-back energy, like back-to-back. So without wasting much of our time, let's go and enjoy a first cut of the movie. All right, the first clip we're about to watch is all about when Barbarex, he was a PA to Sarian, who is the son of a daughter of a billionaire, and he's working as a PA and she's managing her dad's company. Now she got an issue with her boyfriend the night before she came to the office, and then Barbarex as her PA just came in and she now transferred all the aggression, give her passports. I beg, watch waiting happen.
Osaki.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is the report not on my desk?
Report? No, it has been sent to your email.
Are you mad?
Which one is that, mad?
Did you just respond to me?
You asked a question, I'm responding, ma'am.
Go and bring the printed copies.
Oh, it was
Get out and give me printed copies!
No problem. But you said I should send...
Osaki, please, I don't have time for melodrama today. What is this?
The printed copy.
I know when we have a board meeting.
That's why I printed it.
And you brought normal papers.
Okay, I'm supposed to print abnormal papers.
Can you talk to me properly?
No, I've not. Where did they sell it? I don't know. Should I bring
What happened to Concord papers?
Okay,
What happened to textured papers?
Textured papers?
Yes!
Okay, that's the problem.
Why are men so dumb? Why are men so... Hello? Are you serious, Sage?
Madam, should I do the Concord?
Shut up! Are you ready to tell me who Lisa is? And why she has a tattoo on her hand?
Here, Concord.
What is this?
Concord.
What will not happen to the normal papers?
Okay, I don't understand. What do you want to happen to?
Okay, you want to waste papers in this office?
Anna, should I choke?
Are you insane?
I don't understand. Should I choke?
Are you mad?
Okay, let me choke.
Is everything...
Take it easy.
If you call me one more time, if you try... my pen. I said, get out of my office.
It's okay, man. Easy, so that your brain will not jam.
Of course, that's Baba Rex on that one. Now, alright, still on the movie A Random Tuesday. Now, look at what happened. This clip is going to get you like, okay, what's happening? Now, in this clip, he was able to get his revenge because the dad, who is her father that owned the company now, was in a conversation with her, and Baba Rex now came in with some, kind of manipulative way to now implicate her in front of the dad. That kind of thing. Where we say, you do your own, my own come, I want to do one for you. So he's still his boss actually, but guy, the dad getting to like him. Now Baba Rex used that opportunity and tried to implicate her. Now watch.
Yes. So, madam, I'm ready to go pay the 12 million to Mr. Sage. Can I go and make the transfer now? Madam, you are blinking your eyes. The 12 million you said I should pay to Mr. Sage.
What nonsense am I hearing?
No, my madam said I should send 12 million naira to Mr. Sage. I'm ready to...
So you plan on giving that my money? 12 million?
Yes, 12 million.
Daddy. Daddy, just hold on.
Are you on this, man?
No, I'm not. Daddy, the thing is, it's for investment. He just wants to put it in his club, and then he'll give me back my money with interest, Daddy.
She's really under a spell. She's really under a spell.
Daddy, I'm okay, really.
I don't ever want to see you near that riffraff again.
Daddy, I don't like this. I'm 28. Do you want to control my life? I love him. As for you, it's okay, it's fine.
Okay, man, like I'm really having fun right now. Okay, this clip next is still in the movie now. And I just hope you're having fun. Hope you're enjoying what you're watching right now. So she who is his boss, Sarian now, and Baba Rex is supposed to go and attend to a meter issue. You get what I'm saying? Like, okay, as a PA, like he was right. She's like, okay, you're going to the NEPA office or the PSCN, whatever office you're going to go and fix meter issue. And he's like, oh, I'm just a PA. How can you send me to those errands, after a long day? Oh my God, like this clip, I just wanted to watch what happened there. The conversation is just mad. Watch.
Let me have it first. Thank you very much.
Will that be all, ma'am?
No, we have a PHCN issue, so you have to go to PHCN office to report the meter issue. Is there anyone else in this office?
No, but it's like you're talking to me and I don't want to do it.
What do you mean by that? I said go to PHCN office.
To do what?
To report a meter issue.
As what, man?
Are you okay?
No, I'm okay, man. It's like you're missing it. Maybe because you are too busy, so maybe the thing's on the jam or something.
Speak to me officially. Stop wasting my time.
I'm sorry, man. What I'm saying is, it's your PA that is talking. If you are telling me to go to PACN, man, this company, we have maintenance department. We have people that are doing technical things, electrician, electric. They said PA may go PACN. Man, I'm the PA here. Although you have converted me to messenger, driver, everything, I'm still doing it. Now you want to turn me to electrician overnight?
Osage.
Man,
you will go to PHCN office to report the meter issue.
That's what I'm saying, man. To go there, that place is very far now. Okay, fine. It's okay. Let me just do it. Man, you book ride for me, or you give me your car key. Let me drive.
As what?
As somebody that needs AC to calm the
AC for what?
Man, that place is far now.
Are you my boyfriend? Are you my father? Are you my boss? You want my car?
The way you are talking, it's like you want me to use boss.
Yes, you have done that all the days of your life. Why are you saying this? What?
From the is it the head office? That one, those one waiting for no Badagry.
Yes.
That place is far. Before you enter here, this is MS. You call it Tabla, do have no shoe, on that, but it's far, man.
Osage, I'm going to say this for the first and last time. Are you done?
Maybe, man. Maybe I'm done, but I'm not done. I'm still talking, man.
Talking what?
Sorry, nothing, man. I'm done.
You're done?
I'm done.
Okay, so this is the meter number, Osage. Go there, report the issue, or go to HRO, get your credentials, get out of my office, go jobless, look for a job somewhere else. The choice is yours. Hey, what?
No, I just say, hey, wait, like,
Osagi, are you singing in my office?
I'm not singing. Anytime I'm tense, I'll just
get out. Osagi,
What?
are you frowning at me?
No, I'm not frowning.
No, you're frowning at me.
No, I'm going to Badagry with boss and I should be happy. I'm happy.
Osagi, smile. I want to see your teeth. Say thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma.
Get out.
All right, people, what's up? I hope you're feeling it. I hope you're enjoying yourself this particular moment. Now we're about to watch a situation whereby, you know, you just came to your boss. Maybe you would call, and your boss is just trying to get back at you on something you did, and they want to frustrate you, you know, to some extent. Now his boss was trying to frustrate him with a lot of errands, you know, going from here. Like, can you imagine going from beggar coming down to Aja, going to VI, you know, from I don't know, anybody who has been to Lagos is going to understand what I'm saying right now. When you leave Ikeja, you're going down to Bega, coming down, you're going down to Aja, you come down again, going. That's the kind of errand she was sending him on. And if you see the reaction, trust me, Barbara is always ready to give you another entertainment. Man, this two really made this movie so dope. I want you to put it down in the comments, or maybe I'll just want to feel you. Are you feeling Barbara is that, okay, you see one of your best actor is Sarian. What can you say about this movie? Now, this one we're about to watch is when she's sending him on errands, and they just created a scene, man, like, oh my God, that kind of situation that you either go or you get fired, you know, that kind. All right, man. Let's get to watch that. I bet you get your popcorn on this one. This one is going to give you better sour laugh. Just go watch out. Let's see what you got to say about this one again.
Mr. Osagi?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
All right, I need you to go to Apapa for me.
Papa.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What for, ma? If I may ask.
To sign the shipping documents on my behalf.
Okay. Papa. It's just that the traffic there.
That's exactly why you need to start going now.
Oh, now?
Yes. So when you do that, to go to Oshodi, I need documents from that branch. When you finish with that, go to Badagry. I need you to inspect the factory there. I need pictures, I need videos. I need to see what the factory looks like right now. Okay, for some reason the CCTV there is not working, so you need to go there and give me a live report on what's going on there. When you finish from Badagry, shoot Yanopaja. I need all the files from their branch there. I need you to bring everything here to me. Okay? Oh, then when you're done with that, you need to go to Bega. Yes.
Ma, from Badagry straight to Bega.
I need the files from that place, please. Okay? I need everything from that branch. I'm trying to amalgamate all our files together. We have something in front of us in a few weeks. You know that. After Bega, you go to Shoot.
Shoot.
Like if it's one. I need all the files from that branch, okay? Then when you're done with that, I am not done, Osage. Get to Aja. Buy everything we need in the office, okay? Finally, this laptop. Have it. Take this laptop. Come back to the office and work on the design for me. Okay?
No, all these things, not transport agreements, did you want them?
Yes. Get the transport from the HR, please. Osage! VI. The branch in VI. I need all the documents. Get it from them. Okay?
I'll go to all these places in one day.
And Lucky County. Celine is not picking my calls. You can go. Are you sweating? It's too early for that.
Now you know who's sweat.
Yeah?
Let me see, it's looking like I'm pouring.
Get out. Osage,
Ma.
come back. Stop. I always tell you to smile when you leave my office. It's a sign of respect. Am I stressing you out?
Not stressing me out.
Do you want to lose your job?
It's Lagos touring. I'm touring.
Are you going to smile? All your teeth will be out. That's good. Go. think I want to remember more places. Do you want to leave or should I? Okay.
I'm sure by now everybody is like, oh, but man, you haven't started watching it. At this point, Osaze don't vex. Wait a minute. I need you to go empty your stomach if you know you can vomit when anything happens. Because at this point, Baba is just angry. He don't vex for this matter. I say, oh, this girl, this lady doesn't see me. Say, I be less privileged. And he was like, okay, now I just wanted to watch for yourself. Has he exploded? Like, this is just outside this world. It's something that I just don't know, but please watch for yourself and just see how he's going. Like, okay, you are senseless. You know that kind of passionate. How can you be this beautiful without brain, man? Oh my God. Please just go watch for yourself. I can't help you laugh this. It's better you watch and laugh it yourself. Let's ride on.
Do you have something to say to me? Do you have anything to say to me? Oh, Sagi,
Yes, I have everything to tell you. I have! Where the shout for? Why are you shouting? And I ask you, as if you say you don't get brain for this your head. You are senseless. Now you are the best fool. What do you mean of that rubbish you display for this? Madam, what is your problem? How can you be this crazy without brain? This is an evidence of beauty without brain. Yes, now what do you be? Empty skull. I open my mouth tell you, say, see danger. This person won't collect everything that belongs to you. Can I go give another company? I was expecting you to react. Call area boys, call commissioner of police to deal with the matter. But what did you do? You were there melting. All because of Bola. I'm asking you, what thing that guy do for Ebola when it suits you? How can you be so rich and you don't even have sense? Bola can make you weak. Bola, they drain all your energy.
Are you mad?
Madam, I'm not mad.
Are you stupid?
You are the one stupid. Bola has made you stupid. Empty skull. You stand there. I'm saying, I forgive you. Just like that. Because it's even of sugar. Sugar, Bola, you don't even have sense. Empty skull. I'm disappointed in you.
No right to disrespect me like
But
that.
I can walk when you get say you know my younger sister. I will slap Bola for your brain. I can Bola train you like that. You're a mad person. That one won't go deal with. You then just forgive the guy just like that. You're crazy. I'm disappointed in you. Excuse you for what? Excuse you for what? But how many rounds that guy they give you when they make you the week like this? Haven't you seen Bola before? Which side did they give you? Which side did they give you when they force your brain? Is it rubber side, Shangano, or make the monkey shadow? Tell me, let me know it. And then they paid you.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
Yes.
You're talking to me like that?
Yes. Get into what?
Get out!
Come on here.
Get out!
You say that you sit there and shout for that guy. That guy don't do what you want to do. You're a mad person. Crazy person.
And just so you know,
You are fired! Don't be the only one you sabi. That's your only line. Better fire me! I don't be working with only madam. Very weak. Sit Bola. Go.
All right. All right. What's up? Are you? How do you feel all the lines, man? Tell me, what line do you feel like? Oh God, what line really touched you? What line really gave you like? Oh, but okay, that's how we roll. That's Baba Rex for you. Back to back energy, like. This movie is just loaded with a lot of energy. Try and go watch it, man. The Random Tuesday, and you go and come testify right here in the comment below. Now, let's watch the last clip that I'm going to give you. Thank you for standing by. Thank you for being around. Being around from here, that means you should have maybe click on the subscribe button, or maybe you have commented that, okay, this is what I love, what I've been, man. I thank you for being around for me. All right, the last clip now. Okay, the dad has maybe she fired him. Then the dad, employed him back. He called him back to office, and now he's feeling a bit bossy and pompous. He's now feeling himself like, okay, I can do whatever I want to do. Now, this stage is when she has less power and authority over him. Now, watch what happened.
Where is this audacity coming from?
All right, madam.
Osage, are you bouncing?
Yes, madam, I'm bouncing.
What?
Bouncing in the Lord. Yeah, but say it.
Okay, what part of this movie was actually your best? Oh my god. To me, I just feel like all these episodes are just so dope. Barbara is just they give us back to back. Man, like you can comment below, you can tap what part do you like most? Or have you watched the movie? Are you going to watch it if you haven't watched it? And hey, what part of it you love? So I will see you in the next video. Keep supporting Nollywood movies and everything about Nigerian films. I love you all, YolyBoy signing out. Let me go and do my own bouncing the Lord. All right.